All right, everyone, as promised, here's the follow-up video as to how Bravestar handled the issue of not sending me the hem jeans. First off, I have to say their customer service was phenomenal. I got through to them on the phone. I forget the guy's name I spoke to, but man, hats off to this guy. He totally handled the problem professionally, told me to send the jeans back and that they would do the hem and that they would also repair an issue that I found. All right, so these were the mystery pick. What are these? 13.5 ounce Cone Mills Selvedge denim. And when I tried these on, they weren't hemmed, and I noticed that there's this like fold right here, which was really odd. So I flipped the denim inside, and I couldn't get it to go away. Like you can see, there's like a stitching. It's like held in place here. So let me flip the denim inside out, and we'll take a look at what the issue is. Okay, so we're flipped inside out. Well, as you can see here, the pocket should go up further and not be sewn where it is right here. But as you can see here, there's some heavy stitching where it's stitched right into the selvage part of the denim right here. Now what this is doing is creating, and as you can see, it's folded here, it's stitched here onto the denim, which is creating this crease or this stitch, all right? So what they said they're going to do at Bravestar is they just said, send these back, they'll repair the denim, and they'll also do the hem. So let's put this all in the bag and get it ready to get out of here. All right, so shipping it back, here's what we have. We got the denim, all right, put in the original package. Here we go. And we have a shipping label and a letter. The letter just details what went on and what happened here. And yeah, so we're going to put this all in a priority envelope, ship it off, and wait about a week or so, hopefully, and we'll get it back, and I'll update you then. Okay, welcome back for part 2 of the Bravestar mystery pick. I'm going to call this Saga, all right? Bravestar, as you can see, I shipped this off to Bravestar a couple weeks ago. Their turnaround time for the hem and the repair was relatively quick, definitely positive. Got these yesterday, haven't had time to check them out. So let's open up the bag and see what we got going on in here. Now, if you didn't watch my first video, I'll just give you a quick update. I had ordered the Bravestar mystery pick. What is it, $68, I think. I'd ordered that, and also I can't do this one-handed, so just give me a moment. I'd ordered the Bravestar mystery pick. They arrived, and they weren't hemmed. And then I noticed that there was an issue where they had sewn together part of the jeans. So I contacted them, and they got me a shipping label, and I sent the denim back to be repaired. So, all right, got this here. No message. I guess I'm still gonna stay raw though, okay guys? Feelings aren't hurt, we'll move past it. I'll forgive you. All right, let's get them out of here. Let's take a look at what the tag says. Because remember the last time it showed me that these were 13.5 ounce Cone Mills denim, which also coincidentally, 3 or 4 people on my video have mentioned that they got the same exact denim. That's a mystery. Okay, so let's look here. There was my hem order number. And it says, what's it say here? Bar tack repair hem, 33.25 inch. I ordered a 32-inch hem. I'm assuming Bravestar thinks these will shrink 1.5 inches when I wash them. Interesting. If anyone knows why it would be 1.25 inches longer, as these aren't unsanforized denim and probably won't shrink that much, when I ordered a 32-inch hem, please comment. Please let me know what's going on. Regardless, I'm really excited for these jeans, all right? When we first did this video, I even said the quality, the color of this denim is slightly different than the other 2 pairs that I have. And let's just look at it again, all right? Size 30 is what I rock. And these slim tapers, and that's what these are, all right? Cone Mill, 13.5-inch slim tapers. Got the Selvedge ID there. I really like that. You know, the riveted pockets. Again, standard denim stuff. Fan of the stitching, all right? Let's just zoom out a little bit and take a look. All right, I mean, overall, yeah, and these are definitely, they're definitely shorter. These have definitely been cut and hemmed, all right? All right, so these look good. Let's flip it over. You know, some people say the pockets on Brave Star are pretty big. I've never thought that. I actually think they're actually really good. They're practical. Definitely hold a wallet well, pocket knife, fist slug, carrying one of my pair. Anyway, yeah, here's the Brave Star patch. If you've seen my other videos, you know I'm a fan of breaking this in. All right. Cone denim, Brave Star American made in LA. All right, the denim here is from Greensboro, North Carolina. And where the issue was in the other video was right here. The only remnant of that issue, of that stitching, was just a slight mark here. And this is not a knock. This is, if I didn't know this was repaired, I would not notice this. But because I know they did a repair here, it won't even notice when I put these on. So really, really good job. Good bar tack repair. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put these on and we'll see what they look like. Be right back. All right, so here we are. I had to flip the camera just so that you get the full view of the jeans. Like I said, they went a little longer on the hem than I had wanted, but it's really no problem, all right? I have multiple pairs of raw denim. I think it's actually kind of cool to rock a different cuff style with each pair. So as you see here, I would like some input from anyone watching this. If you want to drop it in the comments, which cuff? Should I just go with the bigger stack, the bigger one right here, bigger single, or just kind of this little light double cuff here? All right, audience question. So let's take a look though, how they fit. These feel really good. These are really comfortable. I mean, a little stiff, but nothing unbearable. I think they fit great. I'm wearing the Brave Star raw leather belt. Check out my other video on that. Let's just do a quick spin around. Like I said, these are a 30. I wear a 32 in Levi's for any reference. I'm 5'8", 165 pounds. So yeah, I think they fit really well. I really like the color of these. They're a little bit different than the American Heritage. I think that's what these are, the 15 ounce, as you can see here. Hopefully the camera shows this. These are the regular tapers I have. So slightly different denim. I like that, all right? They're gonna break in totally different. And they're gonna look a lot different than the other slim tapers I have and those regular tapers. So overall, my returning update here, part 2, I'm satisfied with Brave Star, all right? This hem, I don't know, maybe it's something they do. Maybe they add the extra 1¼ inches for shrinkage. I'm fine with that. Like I said, which cuff should I rock? Let me know. As for the fit, these feel awesome. They are extremely comfortable. We'll do one more spin and we'll be set here. All right. Also, one more thing I'll talk about. It might be silly, but you can actually stick your hands in Brave Star's pockets. There's some brands of raw denim that I've tried that the pockets are just tiny and unusable, and that kind of sucks. And the back pockets, like I said earlier, some people say they're really big. I don't know what that means, but they hold a wallet, they hold a knife, they hold a fist slug that I put in there, they hold anything I need. So that's my update. I would recommend, if you already didn't, if you could find a pair of the mystery pick. I think they're sold out. But hopefully you got on this. It's a really good deal, $68. It got me a pair of awesome raw denim and 13½ ounces. It's perfect going into the summertime. I hope this video helped, and if it did, like and subscribe. I'll be posting more stuff as I pick up more raw denim, denim jackets, things like that. Yeah, check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you later.